Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Grand Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. Hey, we've got a few boosters here. Got us a Hemi booster. Got us a Midland Ross. Sent in by Brown's Performance up in Oklahoma. Obviously, if you're working on Hemi cars, and I guess this one, we're dealing with some high-end stuff. So, I tested that one on the stand. Let's see how it works in the real world, in our hands. Let's see how smooth the guts are. Let's see how well it recovers. And let's see about our vacuum reserve. It's just with the palm of your hand. When you've got vacuum, you ought to be able to activate that rear push rod with the palm of your hand. As you can see, it's quite smooth. Both apply and recover, apply and recover. We're going to disconnect that one for a minute. See how well it holds the reserve. Since they've got two boosters here. Fly, cover, fly, recover. Fantastic. These things are designed so that you've got about 2, possibly 3 emergency brake stops if the motor shuts down. That's the reserve in the can. And of course, if you've got vacuum leaks, or the can leaks, you don't have any reserve. Now these are not designed to hold vacuum indefinitely. They're not going to the moon. People are not inside there, and they're usually hooked up to the motor, which is creating vacuum all the damn time, right? There we go. There was one. Let's check this Midland Ross. There's 1, 2, and 3. See, without any vacuum, you're not going to push that in with the palm of your hand. It's just not going to happen. Alright, Brown's Performance, getting ready to send your boosters out, coming to you here really quick. God bless you. God bless America, and happy moparing.